Start. Good morning, students. Today I will teach to you a circle of mathematics, and this subtopic is a angle subtended by a chord at a point. So now first we draw a circle, and AB is a chord, and that is a point O. This is the center of a circle, and join AO and OB. Okay. Now this chord make angle at the center, and take another point on the circumference of a circle and join AO and AB, and this point also make an angle of this chord. Okay, the angle A, suppose that this point is a P, APB is a angle, and take another point that is a Q and join AQ and BQ, and this angle make of this chord, okay, at a minor arc, and this is a major arc. So now angle APB is an angle on a major arc, and AQB is an angle on minor arc. Okay. Now next theorem we study equal chords of a circle subtended equal angle at the center. Now theorem equal chords of a circle subtended equal angle at the center. Now first we make a figure, okay, and now we take equal chords. What is first we write a given point, what is equal chords. Now you make two chords, and this chord is equal. Suppose that this is a AB and that is a CD, and this is your center. Join AO, OB and OC. So now what is a given equal chords? That means chord AB is equal to chord CD. Equal chords of a circle subtended equal angle at the center. So now to prove that angle AOB and angle COD, angle AOB and angle COD both are equal. First proof. Now taken a triangle, in triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now in this triangle OA, OB, OC, OD, that is a radius. Okay. So this is a equal. So now first OA is equal to OC, and this is a side, and OB is equal to OD, and AB is equal to CD. Okay, this is also side. and it is a, why? Because it is a radius of a circle. This is a radius of a circle, and this is a side, and it is a given, that is a chord, and it is a given. Therefore triangle AOB is congruent of triangle COD. Why it is a congruent? Because by S criteria. Okay. Now these triangles AOB and COD are congruent, therefore its angle is AOB and COD both are equal by CPCT property. Okay, therefore what you write? Angle AOB is equal to angle COD by CPCT. Okay, so now this theorem is proved. Yes. Triangle AOB is congruent to the triangle COD by SS criteria. Therefore angle AOB is equal to COD. Why? By CPCT. Okay, by CPCT this angle is equal to this angle. So now your proof is complete. Now next theorem. If the angles subtended by the chord of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. Okay, so now what is a given? Now given angles subtended by the chord of a circle are equal. Now angle AOB is an angle which are subtended by a chord AB, and angle COD is a chord angle which is subtended by a chord CD. So now it is a given that AOB is equal to COD. Okay, now to prove chords are equal, AB is equal to CD. Okay, now proof. Now in a triangle AOB and triangle COD, here OA, OB, OC, OD are a radius of the circle, so all of these are equal. So now we take OA is equal to OC, and this is a side. Why it is equal? Because it is a radius. Okay, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. This is a angle because it is a given. Okay, and OB is equal to OD. This is the side and it is also radius. Therefore triangle AOB is congruent of triangle COD by SAS criteria. Okay, now these two triangles are congruent, then every part of a congruent triangles are equal. So now by CPCT what we can say? AB is equal to, now by CPCT we can say that AB is equal to CD, okay, by CP CD. Now this is a proved, okay, both card are equal, okay. Now next come to the exercise 10.2, okay. Now come to the exercise 10.2. Now exercise 10.2, okay. Now given that recall the two circles are congruent if they have a same radii, okay. Exercise 10.1 question 1, okay. Two circles are congruent. When two circles are congruent? When two circles are congruent, okay, that means have a same radii, have a same radii. Suppose that O, that is a O dash, okay, that is a O dash, okay, same radii. Prove that the equal cards of congruent circle subtended equal angle at a center. So that is AB and that is a CD, and given that it is a equal, AB is equal to CD, okay. AB is equal to CD, and both circle O, second point, first point is circle O and O dash are congruent, okay. It is a given that is a congruent, AB is equal to CD, okay. Then subtended a equal angle. To prove angle, join first angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D, okay. Now prove it, prove. Now OA and OB are radius, OC, O dash C and O dash D both are radius, and both circle are congruent, so radius is also equal of both circle, okay. So now first in triangle AOB and triangle CO dash D, okay. Now here OA is equal to O dash C and AB is equal to CD, that is radii of congruent triangle. Congruent triangle, not circle, congruent circle, okay. And that is a given, and OB is equal to OD, that is radii of congruent triangle, circle, okay. So now this is a side, this is also side, this is also side, therefore triangle AOB is congruent of triangle CO dash D. So both triangles are congruent, therefore we can say that angle AOB, therefore angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D by CPCT. Now this is a proof it. Okay. Now next question, second, for a homework. So every student you solve it for homework. Okay, that is a similar of the second theorem. Okay, now thank you.